Welcome to the Media tab in Darkify Pro. This section gives you full control over how images and videos behave in dark mode. Instead of simply inverting everything automatically, you can fine-tune brightness, apply grayscale effects, exclude specific images, replace assets, and even swap videos. Let's start with image controls. First, we have the option to adjust low brightness images. When enabled, Darkify intelligently increases brightness to maintain visibility in dark mode. You can control the brightness level using the slider. As I adjust the value, notice how darker images become clearer and more balanced on the front end. Next, we have the Exclude Images option. Here, you can enter specific image URLs that should not be affected by dark mode adjustments. In this example, I've added one of the new arrivals product images. When dark mode is enabled, this product image remains unchanged, ensuring it keeps its original appearance. Now let's look at Grayscale Images. When enabled, this converts images into grayscale in dark mode. You can control the intensity using the Grayscale Level slider. This is useful for reducing visual noise and creating a more minimal dark design. Below that, we have Darken background images. When activated, background images become darker to better match the dark interface. You can adjust the darkening level to control how strong the effect appears. On the front end, you'll see how background sections blend more naturally with the dark layout. Next is Invert Inline SVGs. This option automatically inverts inline graphics for proper contrast in dark mode. Now let's look at Invert specific images. Instead of inverting every image, you can selectively invert only certain images by entering their URLs. In this example, I've added the site logo. When dark mode is enabled, the logo inverts correctly for better visibility against dark backgrounds. Now we move to Replace Images. This is particularly powerful. Here, you can define a different image to appear in dark mode. For this demonstration, I've replaced the first hero slider image. In light mode, the original slider image is shown. When dark mode is activated, it switches to the alternative image automatically. This allows you to fully customize your visual presentation between light and dark themes. Now let's switch to video controls. Similar to images, you can adjust how videos behave in dark mode. Low brightness videos can be enhanced using the brightness level slider. You can also apply grayscale effects to videos if desired. And finally, you can replace videos entirely in dark mode. In this example, I've selected a self-hosted video for dark mode replacement. When the site switches to dark mode, the original video is replaced with the alternative version seamlessly. This is ideal for promotional videos, hero backgrounds, or branded content that needs different styling in dark environments. As you can see, the Media tab provides precise control over how visual content adapts to dark mode. Instead of relying on simple inversion, you can customize images and videos intelligently for a polished, professional dark mode experience. After configuring your settings, don't forget to click Save Settings. That's it for the Media tab in Darkify Pro.